It's always that I am curious when I enter a ship, because I want to see how it is and want to feel how it is, and then immediately start thinking of what I could accomplish on board. I am Matthias Berntsson, working for CATC in Gothenburg. I'm here because of the ventilation system mostly, and we are doing upgrades, energy conservation projects in order to save energy for the ship. We chose to work with WAGO because with all kind of approvals, the small form factor, the huge variety of IU cards, all of those things together, they gave a very good picture of what we needed. The open structure of the controller is extremely important for us. Otherwise we will be locked into different situations where we can't by ourselves decide how to do and what to do. I would say that our customers are happy when we have been on board. That is based on the fact that they are coming back asking for more business. I would say that WAGO has a great impact in this because of all the support that we can get, that also empower our business towards our customers. I'm proud because we are helping them conserve energy on the ships. It has a great impact on the environment, and we consider what we deliver to be some of the best that you can find.